How to do affiliate marketing with no money. Affiliate marketing is not free. It takes time, money, and effort to make money with affiliate marketing. But in this video, we're going to share a unique way to do affiliate marketing with no money. The biggest cost of affiliate marketing is traffic. Affiliate marketers use solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, display ads, Pinterest ads to drive traffic to their affiliate offer. And all of them are super expensive. Now, another big expense is running a website, hosting server cost, and content creation. But I have a good news. This cost is completely eliminated using our artificial intelligence software, Maven. You don't need domain or hosting server, you don't need a website, and you don't need content. Maven does everything for you. And the best part, it's completely free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Alright, I'll come to that in a moment. But before that, let me share the unique way I'm about to share that can get you 268,000 visitors to your affiliate link, and you could earn passive affiliate commissions for free. And I will also share someone lost this opportunity due to anger and frustration. What you see here is called a meme. All of us seen this kind of meme on social media. They go viral fast, but this is not important. What's more important are the comments. You see the comments? They're getting lots of traction, hundreds of engagement, which means at least 10 times more people already read these comments. The comment that has got 600 likes got approximately 6,000 views. All these views are free visits. Now you're looking at one of our Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and what you see here is $147,522.55 in passive affiliate commission. Now that's not all. There are many variables, but mainly there are two variables in this screenshot I'm going to reveal to you shortly, which are important for this kind of income. But before I go there, let me show you 268,000 free targeted visitors that I promised you. This website has 0.7 billion with a B for boy, oh boy, per month, and 70% of that traffic come from search engines or Google. So putting anything here in this website equals free traffic from Google. And this website name is Quora.com. In case you don't know about Quora, it's a platform where people can ask questions and answer other people's questions. But before you think it's a boring topic or you already know about Quora.com, here is an interesting thing most people don't know. And a lot of people know, but they get annoyed by this and lose the opportunity due to ignorance. Quora.com silently sends you targeted traffic into your email inbox. Just look at this. Somebody sent a second request. Please stop sending messages to my email ID. I am not interested. But you're not one of them. You are smart, and let me show you how it works. When you use Quora.com and you show interest in a certain type of post, questions, or answers, Quora.com's artificial intelligence automatically sends you emails with links to most interesting and vital posts on that topic, and they are called Quora Digest. Example, this one. You see, transcription is $1 billion industry, 21.5 billion in 2020. So I tried to find questions about transcription related posts in the past. So Quora.com sent me this question. This question is about GoTranscript.com, which is a famous transcription service website. Almost all the answers in this post have huge numbers of views, especially this particular reply, 268,000 views. And it's a rant reply. Somebody is frustrated and angry about GoTranscript, doesn't pay well, and guess what's happened? He missed $268,000 in passive affiliate commission. Wow. Mosh, how do you say that? Here comes the two variables I wanted to share with you. Look at our screenshot. All the money we make are from these two variables. This is variable number 1 and this is variable number 2. These are the clicks we get on our affiliate links from our visitors or viewers. And this shows the average income from each click we get on our affiliate link, which means we earn more than $1 per click or visitor in affiliate commission that make us this money. But due to anger and frustration, this person here missed all these opportunities. Instead of a rant post, he could have posted about best transcription jobs or best transcription sites or transcription sites that pay well. Lots of free answers on Google. He might have posted his reviews about other better companies he worked, and he could have left a simple blog post about this topic in a link in the answer where people would visit and probably buy from him and he would make money. Now you understand the value of visitor. And this is the one thing this these people are missing by commenting on memes like this and wasting their time and opportunity. Don't do that. Here is a bonus tip that most people will never tell you about Quora. Quora does not like affiliate links directly anywhere in any post or any reply. Here is an example. I tried and Quora immediately deleted my post. They will remove your post if you do that and ban you if you do it multiple times. But there is no problem if you link your relevant website content. For example, here is a reply that we have made to a question and we linked it multiple times. One link goes to a video and another link goes to a website. That's our blog post. And this way you will get all the traffic to your website. From there, you can build a list of subscribers, you can get clicks to your affiliate links, and eventually you will make money from those clicks. I know. Maybe you don't have a website. A lot of us don't. Or maybe you have a website but you don't have content, because website and content are hard work and expensive and time consuming. Actually, writing new content just to reply one question on Quora.com doesn't make sense. That's why we built Maven. With Maven, it just takes 3 minutes to make a content. Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. With Maven, you don't need to write any content. You just copy the URL of another website just like this and paste it in a placeholder in Maven. Maven will fetch the content in just one click, and then in another click, Maven will rewrite the content using built-in artificial intelligence. Then you can edit the content as per your choice, add royalty-free images or videos. Oh, by the way, Maven comes with over 5 million built-in royalty-free images. And you can use your content without paying money for stock image. Then just one click, publish the content and share with your Quora reply. Get all the traffic to your Maven content and the links you have on Maven page. Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. Go start right now. Did you like our video? Hit the like button and share the video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Alright, now let's come back to this guy who lost opportunity of making $268,000. And second, he never and nowhere left any link so people can click on his link and visit his link. Look at his content views. His total content views is 10 million. Oh my god. But yeah, we simply do that and put our links in valuable responses, posts, comments, and get visitors, traffic, and affiliate sales. All you need to do, grab Maven, go to Quora, have fun, check the topic you like, and they will send you Quora Digest email. Reply to those emails and remember to put your affiliate link in your Maven post. People will love your content. They will click your link and they will buy from you and you will make money. Super simple. Please like this video, share with your social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls, your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And if you want to learn about a lady who earned $3 million for her company from Quora, then watch this video and we will see you in the next video.